Hi everyone! Now that we have created this simple step, let's see how we put it together in a walk using the animation track. Right now I have 36 frames and I have a two-step animation. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So my goal is to create an animation clip that captures these two steps and then allows me to put many of these clips in a sequence to create a walk. Okay, so the first things that I do, I need to select the character that I have that is keyframed. So it depends on what you're doing. Maybe you're following my tutorial or you have your own rig. If you have your own rig and you have keyframed the skeleton, then just select the skeleton. If you've been keyframing the rig, make sure you select also the rig. And then you go to Windows, Animation Editor, Trax Editor. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to create. So I have my character selected, create animation clip, bring up the preferences. So I'm gonna call my animation clip step, and then I want to tell when to start and when to finish. So it's gonna start at frame 1 actually, and it's going to end frame 36. The offset is absolute, so I'm gonna leave it like that, and include hierarchy. And you can also select leave keys in the timeline if you want to see them. I'm gonna keep it simple for this time. So create clip. So when I do that, I see that I have this character that is being created for me. So you can also define the character beforehand, but I posted another link on a lynda.com tutorial that teach you how to do that. But because this character actually is much simpler, it doesn't have joints, it only has a rig, I can do it in this much simpler way. So here is my character. When I select it, I can go then in the tracks editor and click on this icon here that will show me the tracks. And here is my tracks. I have these 35 frames because it goes from frame 1 to frame 36, and here is my step. So let's see. Okay, now I am seeing only 36 frames, so let's give myself a little bit more room, maybe 200 frames. And now let's see what's happening. Okay, of course it does the 2 steps and then it stops. So now I'm going to select the steps here, the track, and Ctrl D duplicate, and I'm gonna move it to the side. Now let's see what's happening. Okay, so it does repeat, but it goes back to the beginning because I have to do one more step. I need to go over the tracks and right mouse click relative clip. So this means to move all the keys that I have to the relative position of the previous track. Now let's see what's happened when I do that. 1 and 2, and as you can see, it keeps moving forward. So I can now add many more of these simple clips. So let me do another one, and they don't have to be on the same. Let's make sure that is relative clip, yes, and another one here, and another one go back to 0. And let's look. And there you go. As you can see, it is actually very simple, and I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.